Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a semi-cold start of a hurricane blower vacuum, which I don't exactly understand how this would be a vacuum unit, but this is one that blows in three directions. It blows out the front and from each side, and you control which way it blows with these levers here and how far open the chutes are. It has LED lights here, here, and here. And all this video is a semi-cold start. I'm not actually sure what day it was last run. Um, it's got like a quarter tank of fuel in it for whatever accuracy this is worth. And I want to move it from here to maybe in between the posts on the lifts over there. That way, I'm gonna open this door, move this Bobcat, which I'm not gonna film, and move that Groundsmaster 360, which I don't think I'm gonna film. But anyways, here we go. I'm stepping on the safety here. Choke. And it's got 259.8 hours on it. We got this thing brand new maybe 4 years ago, something like that. And it's always been a pain to start, so. Oh. What a piece of shit. Take the brake off. This operates just like a Z-turn. Wow, I thought I was gonna have to throttle it up. Nope, the lights won't work unless it's running. But part of what, well, yeah, you heard how it was to start up. It actually did a pretty good job today, but usually it's a lot more difficult. Um, part of why, another reason why I refer to this as a piece of shit, because these flaps here, which apparently this one's open. Yeah, this one's closed here. These, they don't hold in tight enough. So when this is spinning in here, you can't see it. But when that's spinning in there, it's pushing so hard that it flops these open. So no matter what, when you go past some cars with it, it just blows sand all over the cars, and that people complain. The old one, which isn't in here, it's in another building because it's used in another area. But I've put videos of that one on my channel before. That one, it starts up a little bit easier, and it doesn't have that problem that this one has. I think that one might even have less power too, which is the reason for that, but I don't know. I'm not sure what this motor is rated for. I'm going to guess 25 horsepower. If you're not careful, this thing will do a wheelie. But I gotta move that Bobcat. I gotta move that Groundsmaster so that I can pull my truck in here and do some stuff on it. And then I'm gonna keep this area open so that I can do some other stuff. Yeah, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.